All right, in this video, I'm going to show you the coolest chord trick on the planet, and that's how we can take our A major chord on ukulele and move it up the neck into bar chords. This is a trick that you need to know. All right, welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter, and I'm glad that you're here. This is a really important lesson for us to understand is how to take this A chord and move it up the neck, and they do become bar chords, and these are very important chords to know to really help you bust out of the open position and also when you start playing more complicated songs. But before we get there, thanks for being here. If you haven't done so, make sure to subscribe to the channel and then click that link below to go sign up, and you automatically enter to win the free ukulele that we give away every single month right here on the channel. All right, I'm going to be playing my Koaloha Black Label. That's right, my Koaloha Black Label. But if you need a Koaloha or any of the other 20 brands of ukuleles, accessories, everything we carry at the #1 store, which is store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, so check this. You ready? Let's dive into this thing. Grab your A chord. One of the essential open position chords, one of the easier chords to play right here. Second fret, first fret, open, open, A major chord. Now what's cool about this chord is this is part of this chord shape that can move up. And you want to know how to do these because one, bar chords are very important to know. They're challenging, yes, but you need to know them, especially when you start getting into chords that are like B flat. Or if you want to get into variations of the C chord, D flat, C sharp, all that kind of stuff, you need to know these chords. So if you take your A major chord and simply slide it up, although you're going to change the fingers a little bit. Third finger now, third fret, fourth string, second finger, and then I'm going to bar right here the first two strings. So it's fret-wise, it's 3, 2, 1, 1, and that's a bar chord right there. Now that's hard to play, especially if you're just getting going because it's hard to play those two notes, strings 1 and 2 at the first fret, cleanly while adding that one and that one. It takes a little bit more pressure. It takes really nice hand position as well, but you can do it. Don't give up on these or don't get scared of the word bar chord. Don't believe in it. You can do this. All right, so if you notice, this is the same shape as the A chord. Okay, but because here on the A chord I have two open strings, so when I move these two fingers up, I now have to bring in my first finger to cover what used to be open strings. This is B flat. Now what's important about, oh, look at it. Don't bend the strings like that. That's going to take a minute too. What's important to know is where the root of the chord is, meaning what names the chord. So the reason why this is A is because this note right here is an A note. When you slide it up one fret, now the name of the note is whatever note this is on the third fret, which is B flat or A sharp. Now, all of my ukelikethepros books, the ukelikethepros posters that we carry at our store, we have a chord poster. We also have a general ukulele poster. I show you the notes on the neck so you can remember that. So now when you know you're on this chord and you know this is your root, that you know this is either B flat or A sharp. What is that called when you have one note that has two names? Leave in a comment below. I'll tell you in just a second. All right, now you take this shape, and if you just slide it up one more fret, so now you're on 4, 3, 2, 2. This is now a B chord because right here, this note is a B note. Now I do have a low G on this one. Now the other thing is, some of you may be saying, but Terry, that's a B note right there on the first string, second fret too. So yes, so notice those two are exactly the same note. So B, B. If you want to recognize the chord for this shape here, that's fine as well. So B, slide up again. What chord is that? Leave it in the comments below. By the way, I'm going to tell you what that name is. Remember what I said. Two names, one chord that has two names. I'll tell you in a second. All right, this is the C chord. So it's like an open position, but this is the bar chord. See, what's cool is you can add like a cool sus sound to it. All right, now we're going to slide up one more fret. Make sure that all these chords, by the way, you're getting nice, clear notes. This is now C sharp or D flat. And that's, again, going back to my question to you, which is, what is the name of a note that has two names, two chord names? That is called inharmonic. Okay, so this chord right here, could be called either C sharp or D flat. That is called inharmonic. Inharmonic. All right. Bonus to you if you got it. All right. Slide up again, and you have the D note, D chord, D note here and here, or D chord, D sharp, E flat, E, F, F sharp, G flat, G, and then keep on going. All right. But so this is really important now. You've taken your one chord here, your A chord, and now you do some really cool stuff. Now you can even write a song just using these. These bar chords as well. So anyway, that's very important. Hopefully you got it. Practice those bar chords. You can do it. All right. What else? If you like this kind of stuff, you want to learn more, these chords, songs, even some music theory, the music reading, all that stuff. We have over 20 courses, ukelikethepros.com. Check that out. Join our Platinum membership. Be part of all the Q&As that we do, the challenges that we do, the workshops that we do. All that stuff is included in that Platinum membership. So I appreciate you being here. If you got anything out of this video at all, drop it in the comments below. Did I ask you another question that I forgot to answer? I might have. If so, we'll do it in the questions below. So anyway, appreciate it. We have a great Patreon page as well. All our social media. I want to see you there. Get involved. Commit here to your playing, to the ukulele, to You Like the Pros. And I guarantee, I promise you, we're going to take you to new heights. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. We'll see you next time.